The embankment of Nambul River near Kakhulong of Pauna International Market has started breaching, stretching approximately 50 meters. This has caused panic among the residents of Kakhulong and nearby areas. In response, Water Resource Minister Awangbaw Nyumai conducted a ground survey along with concerned officials and workers, initiating repair work at the site. Here's a report from our chief reporter, Ketrimayum Premchan. Let's take a look.
The bank of the Nambul River, situated at the east of Kakhulong, has started to breach the bank due to flooding since yesterday morning.
거의 허지우직티 시스템 부주야다보니나 허지우직티 두기드나 바송왕무기 오포지스다 GI 포레제 GI 파이프시 용어가 6mm gumba 8mm gumba koina yaba leidana aduna somna kanda pipe GI pipe sida pharaga wall je tugidana ba temporary measure aitara adu lokhat kena tawr adu mangna heta wall je shape oirani haibinate hojikki oina lekai ju sanari binina ko turga te moina ngairak toini aduna hojik tudana basi wall je GI pipe to pha gena tawba.
Officials from the Water Resources Department, along with machinery, are here to repair the wall to prevent from any unwanted incidents in the future. This is Ketrimayum Premchan reporting for SKTV News, Imphal.